What's up, ATC gang? Welcome back to another video. Today is Vlogmas day number 4 and we will be making some iron-on t-shirts. I truly hope you guys have been enjoying Vlogmas, where I'm sharing projects that I created for my son's first birthday. So the mommy of the birthday boy is the first sweatshirt I'll be working on. In this little box, mini but mighty, that is my new mini press from Cricut. I'm so excited. So this is just one of the Cricut's accessories. It's made for doing smaller iron-on projects, so I had to use it for this project. I'll do a review of it at a later time, but I just wanted to take it out the box and just show you all the tools that you'll need for this project. Now, you can use an iron, but I feel like, you know, for better results, get you a mini press or a t-shirt press if you're really trying to go into the t-shirt printing business. So I'm just figuring out how to use it, and as you can see, I have my mini press, my decal which says mommy of the birthday boy, and then I got a Fruit of the Loom sweatshirt in a size medium from Amazon. I believe it was about 15 bucks. So doing it myself makes it a lot cheaper than ordering it online from a vendor, where I believe I would have paid about 35 to 40 bucks. I am making sweatshirts for me, my man, and our 2 boys. So this route was definitely the more, you know, financially smart way to go. So I'm just going to start by opening up my sweatshirt to get the project started. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, my name is Cicely. I'm a disabled mom of 2 young boys by way of sickle cell anemia. So I felt it was important to make content to show the world that if I can get up and take care of my family, you know, through sickle cell crisis and all, you can get up and take care of your family through whatever comes your way. You can do it, and we can do it together. So if you'd like to follow our journey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the family. So now, as you could see, the first step was just to get your t-shirt nice, and your t-shirt or your sweatshirt nice and warm with your mini press or your iron. You know, make your placement, make sure you have it where you want it. And I'm using parchment paper. The parchment paper prevents my design from getting burned. So as you can see, I'm just going in little small circles, you know, just trying to move fairly quickly so that I don't burn anything. The paper was not big enough to do the whole design, so I did the right side first. I made sure that was adhered nice and smoothly, and then I moved the parchment paper a little bit over to the left so that I could do this side. So this process, all in all, probably took about, I don't know, maybe 2 to 3 minutes to get the whole design on, and then I peel it off once I feel like it's adhered, and I'm just touching it to see if it's on, because I was just so amazed. This is my first time ever doing this, guys, so I was just amazed that I actually, you know, that it actually worked. So you use whatever colors you like. This project is for a Rugrats party, so you know Rugrats has all of the bright colors, so I'm going to incorporate some pinks. And what I'm doing is just doing a simple design, you know, just some squiggly lines going back and forth. I wanted them on the left, the right, and the bottom of my sweatshirt. So I'll repeat that for all of my colors, and then we will move on to the next step. Okay, so now I'm just showing you the brushes. I got these from Walmart. They were definitely under $3, and I'm just using them to take these little splashes that I got from Amazon to adhere the next part of my design. I felt like it was a little easier because I had put tape on the back of my little paint splashes, so I'm just dipping the paint on the bottom of the little I guess, the little paint splashes, and I'm making a design going down the sleeve, and I will rotate back and forth between using the colors pink and blue. If you decide to make this particular Rugrats design, just remember the template I'm using is made of paper, so you may have to dip it in your paint a couple of times before it'll actually be enough to stick. And I like how this paint is coming out nice and bright, because that's what I wanted, was a vibrant outcome. So the paint I'm actually using is acrylic paint from Walmart. I got this set, I believe, of 12 different colors for $10. So right here, I decided to use my sponge brushes in a more efficient way. It was easier for me to use them to press the little templates down on the fabric. I wasn't able to, tape them to the template, but I was able to use them to press the paint down so that I had a more neat outcome. So I really liked the way I ended up using the paint sponges so that none of my materials went to waste. If you guys are enjoying this video thus far, do me a huge favor and give my video a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. So I'm done with the paint splashes, so I just wanted to finish up the design by adding some more abstract paint lines. So I'm going to put my different colors on there, and then I'm done. This is the turnout for my sweatshirt. I hope you guys like it, and we can move on to my boyfriend's shirt now. Okay, y'all, so now that you've basically seen the process, I'm gonna speed through the rest of my family shirts a little bit, and then I'll just come in when I need to. But I just wanted you to enjoy the process. So one mistake I did want to mention: when I did my boyfriend's shirt, you have to heat up the fabric first, and I made a mistake and started to heat up my boyfriend's iron-on decal with the paper backing still attached. So what that did was it began to kind of soften and melt his decal. So if you can kind of see right here on the right hand side, a piece of his sweatshirt got folded. If it makes any sense, a piece of the white design got folded because I applied heat to it by mistake. You want to make sure that when you are applying heat to your design, you're ready to actually place it on the fabric. You never want to apply heat before you place it on the fabric, because it will start to soften your design, if that makes any sense. Guys, I just want to send a special thank you to everyone that is coming back video after video to support my channel, not only during Vlogmas but just in general. I have really been receiving and feeling the love, and I want you to know that it does not go unnoticed. I appreciate you. And I did a lot of projects for my son's party. However, I'm not going to spend the whole Vlogmas on just party stuff. I want to do some Christmas things. So if you happen to just want to see a specific, party decoration, you can leave me a comment, and then I'll go ahead and make a video for it, because I did everything from food to balloon decor. So I just want to basically give you what it is that you would like. And if you are still here with me, go ahead and leave me a little boy emoji so I know you're still watching. Alright, y'all, it's time for me to almost wrap this video up because I'm doing the birthday boys onesie. I'm so excited for my baby to turn 1. Oh my God, I can't believe the blessing that God gave me. And I just want to remind you that even when things look bad, God is still in the blessing business. Just look around and try to look at some of the good things. All right, y'all. So let's look at how everything turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you were able to take something from it, and leave me a comment and let me know if you feel like I did a decent job. I'll see y'all in the next episode. Be blessed.